Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the gameplay of History Challenge in the icon journey of EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So you are going to play the icon journey of Zinedine Zidane. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner, new into this game, still confusing how you can challenge the event and complete the quests so you can get ton of rewards from this game. Let's get started by tap the play button, tap the live events, and tap this icon journey of Zinedine Zidane. Make sure you have this Zinedine Zidane with the OVR 82. He is a French player, a legendary French player, a central attacking midfielder and former manager of Real Madrid. And let's get started. The History Challenge versus the FC Girondins de Bordeaux from the Ligue 1. Tap the play. So will be a head-to-head match. Let's play. Here I'm already got the Zinedine Zidane. You have to score in this game so you can unlock the next stage. Make sure you win this match and you get the rewards. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.